The Sagacious Monkey and the Boar. Once upon a time, in Shinshin in Japan, there lived a monkey man who used to travel to different places and showed monkey tricks. This was his only source of income. One evening, when the man returned home, he was in a very bad mood. He told his wife to send for the butcher the next morning. The wife was confused and asked the man, "Why do you wish me to send for the butcher?" He replied, "This monkey has become useless. He has become old. He forgets his tricks. Even if I beat him with the stick, he does not move. So I will sell him to the butcher and earn whatever money I can." The wife felt bad for the monkey. Now, the monkey was standing outside the room and overheard the entire conversation. The monkey thought that his master was cruel. He thought, "I have served him faithfully for years, and now he is selling me off to the butcher to be sliced?" The Boar's Plan. The monkey thought, "What should I do?" An idea struck him. He knew a wild boar who lived in the woods nearby. He had also heard about the boar's wisdom. "I will go to him and tell him the problem I am in. He will give me the right advice," he said to himself. The monkey slipped out of the house and rushed towards the woods to find the boar. The boar was at his home, and the monkey started his story. "Mr. Boar, I have heard about your knowledge. I am in great trouble." The monkey told him his story. "What do you advise me to do?" The boar thought and then said, "Does your master have a baby?" "Oh yes," said the monkey. "He has one infant son." "Doesn't it lie by the door when your mistress begins the work of the day?" "Then I will come, and seizing the opportunity, I will grab the child and run off with it." The Boar and the Child. The monkey asked, "What will happen then?" "Before anyone comes, run after me and rescue the child. Then safely take him home to his parents. Now they will not be able to sell you to the butcher, as you have saved their child." The monkey thanked the boar and returned home. The next morning, everything happened as planned. The mother placed her child near the patio and started with her household chores. Suddenly she heard the child screaming. She ran and saw the boar hurrying through the gate carrying the child. She raced in and called out to her husband, who was still sleeping soundly. He got up and asked her why she was making such a noise. When the man understood what had happened, they both went out. But the boar had already ran away with the child. The Faithful Monkey. The man and his wife saw the monkey running after the hooligan. The monkey ran as fast as his legs could carry him. The couple admired the fearless and sagacious monkey. Their appreciation knew no bounds when the faithful monkey brought the child safely back to their arms. The wife said, "This is the animal you wanted to kill. If the monkey hadn't been here, we would have lost our child forever." "You're right," said the man as he carried the child into the house. "Send the butcher back when he comes. And now give all of us a good breakfast and the monkey too." When the butcher arrived, he was sent away. The monkey was pampered and lived the rest of his days in peace. The man never beat him again with the stick.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.